Hi, I'm Vikram Gore and you're watching MOTORSCRIBES. I'm here with a dear friend of mine, Puneet sir, and we're on the sidelines of a brilliant initiative that Hyundai India has rolled out called Samarth. Sir, to start with, for my viewers, what does Samarth mean?
So actually, if you see the word Samarth itself means that we want to make people able to achieve their tasks, the ones which they cannot normally do. Now, when we look at India, India is a very inclusive country, around 140 crores people. But many people don't realize that we also have a size of population which is around 26.8 million people who are disabled. Yeah. Now, these disabled people may be brilliant in their area, but somehow they are not able to perform their activities to the full of their capacity. So we feel that by launching this initiative, if you are able to support them in achieving their true self, in achieving their potential, that not only we can make this country an inclusive country, we can also ensure that our country grows by leaps and bounds and becomes one of the most progressive nations of the world. And that's the initiative which we have launched, wherein we are taking a target for next 3 years. We are going to support these 26.8 million people, either by supporting the Paralympics, which is a big target for us, supporting the people who especially are into the area of blind cricket, which is again a religion in India. At the same time, we are also ensuring that we are able to provide assistive devices to around more than 700 of these disabled people so that they can perform their duties in a more cohesive, in a better fashion. Oh, nice. At the same time, we are also going to enable our dealerships. All dealerships and workshops by February 2024 will become disabled friendly. Okay. And our website, which usually is accessible to everyone, will also become disabled friendly website. And we are also designing certain accessories in our cars so that our futuristic cars can not only be designed by people like me and you, but also by these disabled people, like swivel seats, which can help them to go, enter and exit the car without any problem. Yeah. So these are some initiatives which we have taken today, and I am very confident that in next 3 years we'll be able to reap benefits for this country and we'll be able to send the message progress for humanity, which is our global vision for our CSR.
No, it definitely fits with that line very well, sir. And I think when you look at especially able people historically, they've been shunned from society. But in more recent times, we see them now bringing, waving the Indian flag mighty and proud for us in the Paralympics. We've seen it on different stages.
Especially the Asian Games.
Yes, even the Asian Games. Yeah. And now to have a company like Hyundai empowering them to do more. What is your vision for what happens as a rollout?
So actually, as I said that Hyundai believes in continue. This is our vision under CSR. And under this continue, we have 3 pillars. The pillar of earth, which is very important because we're looking at humanity, we're looking at sustainability. Then there is a pillar of hope, which means that if you're able to train the people, give them skills so that they can earn very meaningful livelihood, then that also as a target is achieved. And the third is very important, which is mobility, and mobility for all. Because we are a company which is providing mobility. But if we cannot provide mobility to these disabled people, then are we supposed to be in our business? These 26.8 million people in India and maybe so many people across the world, if we are able to provide them mobility freedom, mobility for all, I think our vision as an inclusive mobility provider will be supported. And that's the vision with which we have launched this project, Samarth.
No doubt, sir. It is a wonderful initiative and I think it's going to touch millions of hearts. But I know you touched upon the subject of what you're doing with your product lineup. Yeah. If you could just delve into that a little bit more in detail. Is it an accessory-based line that will come out for the specially able?
So basically we have already designed, and if you can, even today also, you can go online, you can order specially designed seats, which are basically swivel seats. Right now we are in the process of making mechanical seats available, but there will be also some hydraulic, electronic seats also. So we are continuing to research in this area. So today a person who's disabled, maybe a wheelchair bound person, will be able to sit in our car because the swivel seat will be able to rotate from the car, come out of the periphery of the car. The person can sit in the car, then the seat can be swiveled and it can be locked in. So it will be as good as any seat designed purely for that particular product, whether it is Nios, Creta, so on and so forth. And all these cars, all these seats will be available as an accessory through our accessory provider at the dealerships. So they can order online and the dealerships will fit it for them so that they can enjoy the beauty of our car.
Yeah, previously I think seats like this and all these accessories have been done outside or retrofitted. Now for it to come from a manufacturer means that safety is also being kept in check.
Yes.
All of these elements.
And quality will also be kept in
quality.
check. And the people will feel the same, feel as they're sitting in a normal seat. So these seats will be actually designed with the same, contours, with the same depth, with the same seat comfort, which an ordinary seat will be giving.
That is amazing. Well, thank you so much, sir.
It's
thank you
always
so
a
much for
pleasure.
your time. And this is really a wonderful initiative that Hyundai has started. And I really hope to see it spread its wings and really grow in the coming 3 years.
I'm sure through your, channel, we'll be able to go far and wide and be able to spread this message of Samarth to every individual of this country.
Thank you. And if you do have any questions, feel free to write in, drop me a comment. I answer every comment that comes in on the channel. And if you do have a question for Puneet sir as well, send it to me. I'll forward it to him and I'll get him to answer.